I'm going to present an experiment which will tell you that air occupies space. So, for this experiment, you will need a bowl filled with water. I have used colored water so that you can see it clearly. A glass and tissue paper. So the first step is fold the tissue paper into a small square or a rectangle. You can fold it accordingly to the size of your glass. Then push the tissue paper inside the glass and press hard. It should not fall when you hold it upside down. If it doesn't fall, then you are ready for the next step which is coming up. If it falls, then press harder. So here, great. So now I hold the glass upside down above the bowl. Then gently submerge it. Hold it like this for a few seconds. Bring it back up and observe the tissue paper. What do you see? The tissue paper hasn't got wet. See? If you ask, why did this happen? Then the answer is pretty simple. The air which is present inside the glass does not allow the water to enter it. It acts something like a shield, and it is also like a bee does not allow any other bug or any other unknown bee into its hive. And now I'm going to show you another thing. I am folding it in the tissue paper in the same way and putting it inside the glass. But now while submerging it, I just tilt it a bit. The air bubbles arrive. And now the tissue paper is wet. So I think you've understood it now. When the bubbles arise, the air got out of the glass and thus caused the tissue paper to get wet. So this experiment explains that air occupies space. So I hope you liked the experiment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you liked this video and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.